In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to achieve the grainy colored threshold look in Photoshop. This style combines gritty texture, bold contrast, and striking color for a poster-ready result, and will keep everything editable so you can tweak it later. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop and importing your PNG photo. Once it's in, head to the Filter menu and choose Camera Raw. In the Effects tab, set grain to 100, size to 25, and roughness to 80. This creates a strong, chunky texture that will still show through later. Click OK to apply. To work non-destructively, duplicate your subject layer. Press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac. Now add a threshold adjustment by creating a new adjustment layer and choosing Threshold. Threshold reduces your image to pure black and white, so the slider becomes your control for clarity. Drag it until your shapes read cleanly and the grain still contributes to the silhouette and detail. A value around 111 is a solid starting point, but trust your image. Higher contrast images may need a different setting. Select the duplicate layer and the threshold layer together, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. This bundles them into a single editable unit, so you can double-click later to refine threshold or swap out grain settings without starting over. With that top layer active, go to Select and choose Color Range. Click on the darkest areas to target them. Use the fuzziness slider to fine-tune your selection so you capture the essential shadows without pulling in mid-tones. Watch the preview and aim for crisp, well-defined dark regions. Click OK when it isolates the areas you want. Now create a gradient map or a similar color mapping adjustment to colorize those selected areas. A gradient map remaps luminance to color, which is perfect for a bold, posterized effect. Load a vibrant gradient or build your own. Place your deepest color on the left stop so it applies to the shadows you selected, then add mid and highlight colors that complement your subject. Because you made the selection first, the color lands exactly on the dark regions, keeping edges sharp and graphic. That's the look. You've combined heavy grain, threshold contrast, and targeted color for a distinctive print-ready style. If you want to refine the mood, revisit the threshold slider, swap gradients, or tweak the camera raw grain values until everything feels just right for your image. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.